How's it going, everyone? This is a guide to everything. In today's video, we are going to compare two products. Now, they both look identical, but they have their differences. It's going to be the Tapo C500 versus the Tapo C510W. Which product is better? Now, I have prepared a short review of both products. Basically, let's start with the image quality. Now, for the C510W, it is up to 5 megapixel resolution, capturing more detailed and clearer images. Meanwhile, for the C500, we have lower resolution but still usable, but of course it's less detailed compared to the other product. Now for the night vision, of course they both have that feature. For the C500, they have the standard infrared night vision, but for the C510W, they have full color night vision with spotlight, giving more details at night. Now, for smart features, of course, both cameras have the 360 pan and tilt, they have motion alerts, and they have the two-way audio. But the C510 adds smarter AI detection and motion tracking, which helps reduces the false alarm. So, with the C5W, we have the added AI feature. Now for price, of course, this is where they differ. Now for the C500, it's going to be a lot cheaper because they have less feature overall. For the C510W, it's slightly more expensive but with better features as we have tackled earlier. Now for final verdict, the best budget option is going to be C500. It's still great, it's still optional, but if you're looking for more features like AI, better infrared night vision, you want to choose the C510W. Overall, it's the better option, but the only downside is the price point. So if you're looking for value, just select the C500. Once again, it's already an amazing product, so that's about it for our brief review. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.